Being from the South, bird hunting is something that is burned into our blood. Good dogs, and that split second when everything changes. Today, you're coming along with us, from the dog's eyes all the way to the gun barrel.
Kyle, here. Whoa, Archie. Whoa, Kyle, wait. Wait, Kyle. Ready? Go ahead. Nice shot, man. Over here! Over here!
I think we got 2 of those 3.
You killed 2 of them?
Yeah, no, did you kill one? Okay, so we only killed 1.
Kyle, here.
You got it, did you?
Yeah.
Go ahead and reload real quick. Kyle, here. He's 36 feet. He's right in front of us right here. Kyle, here. Kyle, here. All right, be ready, boys.
Yep.
Let's keep walking up. Right here. Flush him up. Go ahead. Nice shot, man. Dead bird.
Very nice.
Kai, here. Whoa. Kai, here. Kai, here. All right, you ready, boys?
Are we good to shoot that way?
Yes, sir. Yep. Flush it up, Kai. He's right here on this bench.
There he goes.
Wait for it. Yep.
He gonna catch it.
Wait, Kai. All right, push him up. Wait for it. Go ahead on the far right. Sorry, man, that was a tough call.
A little low.
It's all right. Be ready for some more right here real quick. Flush him up. Go ahead. Nice shot, man. Dead bird. Dead.
Bust him, Tyler.
Ah, here.
Shoot him off the ground.
Ah. That's as true as you can. Right here. Hello. Somewhere right here. You ready, right here.
There he is, right in front of you. Whoa.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold him back. Kai, here. Whoa. Try it.
Oh, man.
You hit it.
Looked like you touched him.
No, you did get it. You did hit it. See? Here you go. Nice shot, man. That's what I'm talking about.
Right on.
Good boy, Marlon.
You big show got that one.
Marlon, hip. Good boy, Marlon. Marlon, drop it. Good boy. Kai.
Whatever it is, it kicks
Kai,
more
here.
too.
Kai, here. Drop. Oh. Make me look back to the camera.
He said, make it look bad for the camera. Oh, that's funny. That was good.
Good girl, Kai. All right, I'm
Right
gonna.
on.
Yeah, let's go over this edge. You ready, right here. Flush it up. Get him.
Got him on. Oh,
Right here.
is it? Oh wow, right there.
God, flush this bird up. There might be multiple. Nice shot, man.
God!
I missed that part.
Yo!
Marlon, come here.
Man, he piled up.
Shot that thing a foot from it. That's crazy.
Bro, that was dead. Kai, here. Drop it, drop. You know the coolest part about that is you literally got all head, no breast. It's a perfect bird, you know what I'm saying? That's awesome. You shoot that close, there's nothing.
Oh yeah, it disintegrates it.
I think there's another covey or two out there too. I think one for sure, I'm pretty sure is out there too. Oh, yeah. Flush him up. Here.
I got one.
We got one dead up here.
Yeah, there's one dead.
At least.
Oh, there's
here.
a pile of them.
Kai, here. All right, he's there might be another one right in here.
Oh, here, I got some.
Yeah, Kai, wait. Over here, Kai.
He's got it, yeah. Those feathers fly.
Come on.